Namaste. Welcome to my channel Think India. Today in Think India Kitchen, we are gonna make beginner friendly and all-time favorite Indian homemade cheese, paneer. I like making paneer at home because it's fresh. Homemade paneer has no preservatives and it's much cheaper than the store-bought one. So, all the beginners out there, follow the tips shown in the video and I'm sure you'll be able to make perfect halwai style paneer.
We need 2 liters of full fat milk, 5 tablespoons of lemon juice, 125 milliliters of fresh cream. Pour the milk in a large heavy bottomed pan and start boiling the milk. Add fresh cream to the boiling milk. Adding fresh cream gives rich and creamy texture to the paneer. It's a kind of malai paneer. Once the milk has come to a boil, turn off the stove. Add lemon juice gradually and you observe the milk starts curdling immediately. If it doesn't, add more lemon juice and wait for 5 minutes until paneer is completely separated from the milk. And it looks something like this when the milk is completely curdled. Now, line a colander with a cheesecloth or any cotton cloth and place it on a large bowl. Strain it through the cheesecloth. And now, gather the corners of the cloth and then rinse it in cold water to wash out the intense flavor of lemon or vinegar from the paneer. Now twist it to squeeze out the excess water. And now shape the cheese into a nice block and place it over a colander and weigh it down with a large pot of water and set it aside for at least 2 hours. This is the whey collected from the curdled milk. Do not throw it away, it's very healthy. You can use it to knead your roti or pizza dough. You can substitute broth with whey for making soups. There are many ways to use this protein-rich whey. Check the description box below where I have listed its advantages. Okay, now back to our paneer. Let's check how the paneer turned out. And yes, paneer is ready. See how nice and firm it is. It's not crumbly, it's not too hard. We have the perfect texture. Now you can cut the block into the desired shapes. You can store the paneer in an airtight container by submerging it in water. You can refrigerate the paneer and keep it fresh for at least a week. But make sure you change the water daily so that the paneer remains fresh. Enjoy your paneer.
And how was that fresh and creamy paneer? Keeping the present situation in mind, it's good that people are avoiding to eat outside. But if you crave for such food, just make it at home and stay healthy and happy. Out of this basic recipe, you can make hundreds of Indian curries, tikkas, parathas, sandwiches and whatnot. I'm going to post many varieties of recipes in my channel, so stay tuned. Do try the recipe and let me know in the comment section below how your paneer turned out. Please hit the like button if you like the recipe and share it with your friends. And please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. And I would like to mention something important. My videos will be uploaded in German on every Friday and the same video will be uploaded in English on Saturday. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching and until next time, Namaste.